Yo patrons, this is Johannes from NoiseBot, and today I'm posting, this is for my higher paying tiers, and it's another one, another weird one, but very useful if you use Dropbox and if you use WordPress. So let's dive into it. What is this? Here we go. I used to create a request link on Dropbox, and I put that on my site, so when my clients wanted to upload files, they clicked on that, they got redirected to another site. Actually, I still have it here somewhere. I got it here. They got redirected to this site and they could upload files. That works really well, but you have to live with that. The clients left your site, and I don't want to do that. So I want them to remain on my site. And so I created a little plugin to do this. And it turned out so nicely. So I'm actually going to try to sell this on WordPress plugin marketplaces. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not too hopeful because there's a trillion of other similar plugins, but no one is as good with audio files as this one. So yeah. All right. So let's say that you are a client and you want to send me files for an album. Then you go to this, you click this thing which says filuppladdning, which is Swedish for upload. So you go here, it looks like this. Then they can drag a lot of files, drop that on the site, and you can watch them upload. And everything uploads. So when that's done, then the client don't have to do anything more. You have the files. You will receive, if you want that, you can receive an email that a client has sent you some files. And you can start work because the files are already on your hard drive. So it's way better than WeTransfer or any other of those pesky services that makes you click 1,000 things. There we go. We're all done. A whole album uploaded, and that's it. So let's have a look on. Let's start by looking on my hard drive, and I'm gonna pause because I need to find that folder. All right. So I opened my Dropbox folder. So I decided that these files should end up in a folder in my Dropbox that's called uploads. So the address for me will be Dropbox uploads, and we will have a look at that. And I've set this up so that all files will be placed in a folder with the today's date. So if we go in here, then all the files that have been sent to me this date will be in here. So here are the files that I just uploaded. They have received, they are in my Dropbox right now. So that's the way this works. Pretty simple. So let's have a look at the back end of this thing, and it looks like this. First, you set up your Dropbox stuff, and you decide which folder you want them to end up in. And you can, if you use a system where every client have their own page, so they log in, then you can make a personalized drop zone. So the client don't have to write a name or anything for the folder. It will be, the files will end up in the client's folder. So you can have personalized folders by using the Dropbox. Sorry, I'm tired. By using the short code, and that's all in the manual, so you will see how that is. You can change all the titles and text in the plugin. You can change the colors, and here you can decide if you can activate this thing, then there will be a little box above the drop zone where people can write their name or the name of the project or anything, and that will end up as a folder on Dropbox as well. So if you want to keep things apart a little bit, you can use that. I don't, because I often know what files will be sent to me, and I know when I'm expecting files to arrive, so I don't use that. And you get an email as soon as someone uploads something, and the email contains information about the files that have been uploaded, so you can see what happens. I'm actually gonna fill that in and save my settings. And you can set the max file upload size. I have set it to 900 megabytes. That's usually enough. If you have projects where that contains larger files, then I often use other ways of uploading them anyway. So this is enough for most music projects or mastering projects. You can allow file extensions if you don't want people to spam your Dropbox with all kinds of weird files. So you can just put WAV files in here, or FLAC or whatever, and then clients can only upload those. Actually, let's take a file that's not allowed, and let's remove MP4. Let's do something else here. What do we have? We can take let's do PNG file. I don't think I allow that. No, let's use that. It will look like that. File type not allowed, and that's it. So all right, I think that's pretty much it. It's yeah, that's it. It's a lovely plugin, and it lets you create something that looks like this, and you can personalize it for your client so they have their own, and you can set the colors and everything. It's really nice and seems to work really well. I have been using it just for a week, so we'll see if there are any bugs that are showing up. But I hope you like it. I put a lot of work into this thing, so I really hope you like it if you use Dropbox and WordPress. See you later. Next post will be about a Reaper script, and then I will work with some plugins that will come the next week or so. Have a good one. Bye bye.